Rainy Day by Louise Bennett. If you want it and not need it, curb wanty ways, put on wanty money for the needy rainy day. No might be bought the rainy day. No few away, no some. But in everybody life, it must abound for come. Today, tomorrow, next week, this month, or third year, the rain upon the way, fi catch you unaware. Sometimes it creep up softly like a pussy-herb strife. Sometimes it drop like an atom bomb and worries up your life. I go on to trick the bugger. Day by day, I da prepare. Da save up little money and I ready for him, my dear. When rainy day strike me, I go on to bring him to disgrace. I just wave my back book eye and bust out a laugh in his face. Hey, hey. Ay, ay, ay.